We're in Kaysersberg. It's a village just north of Colmar. It's just absolutely beautiful. We're coming here for dinner. This is a Constantine fountain from 1521. It was constructed. So you've got metal pins. They put a piece and then they ran it along the concrete to hold it in place. Normally, it's full of water, and then you've got this beautiful building. Of course, Sophie's family and her children, and then all these beautiful buildings. And then you have Susie. I'm in Kaysersberg, France. We're going to a boulangerie here. It's a beautiful village. Lots of natural water and some rocks. My friend Sophie and her children are meeting us for our last visit. Kind of heartbreaking to have to leave, but I miss my dog and I want to go home. We've been here 14 days. It's a long trip, but everything has been perfect. We saw so many beautiful places. Had some exceptional tours with the ladies doing paragliding, eating at really charming and delicious restaurants. We're very fortunate, thank God.
More fragile. This is
Walking tour of Kaysersberg. We were on this section, but we're going to keep walking. So we're going to go to Becker for wine. The gingerbread houses. And then we'll meet them for lunch. I don't know where.
Oh, this one? Yeah.
Smile and take it. Kaysersberg is approximately maybe 20 kilometers west of Colmar. This building looks original, like unchanged since that time with the shutters. Wow. Have some beautiful scarves and hats. Another glass blowing shop.
Love this all the time, but the problem is
Lord, I pray.
Grab a sausage or a dried meat.
Okay.
did you get a
You ready? You hanging in there?
Yep. Get it out. Why did you get a picture over here?
You saw the cuckoo clock? $178. $26.
No, it isn't. That cuckoo clock?
It's right there.
Go in.
Try to remember where that parking lot is. Let's walk up. Well, I didn't do directions back. outside. I think that's it. Surely she would have bought it by now. I hope so, because the road winds down other buildings to go get cars. Want to come do a video?
No, it's just gonna take a minute.
Doing a video of the running water. Yeah.
Candy runs along the side. She can't run along the side there and go to him.